Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect salon blowout at home. So to start, I'm going to make sure to brush out my hair really well before styling with a wide toothbrush. Next, I'm applying a heat protectant to my hair and I like to spread it out pretty evenly in each section. I also never forget to use a volumizing spray, and this gives my roots such an extra lift. So this is the Luxx Air Pro Styling base, and it comes with the pre-styling dryer attachment, as you see here. So now I always like to rough dry my hair before styling. This way it takes out most of the moisture and leaves my hair only slightly damp. These attachments get pretty hot, so I recommend using the heat protecting glove that the Luxx Air Pro comes with to remove and switch the attachments. Next, I'm attaching the auto-wrap curling barrels, and it comes with two, one for each side of your head, since the air blows in different directions on either barrel. Now I'm separating my hair into a few layers so I can work on each section at a time a little easier. This styling tool has hypersonic technology that allows the hair to auto-wrap around the barrel. As you can see here, the end of my hair just gently catches around the barrel, and when I slowly move it closer to my head, it continues to wrap around the barrel without me having to twist the curler at all. When you're done, just gently release the curler from your hair and it leaves this gorgeous curl. To get nice smooth curls on thicker pieces of hair, try moving the curler down and back up to smooth out each section of hair, kind of like you would with a round brush and hair dryer in a traditional blowout. I love how this dries and styles my hair at the same time, and I also love how there's no direct heat and the temperature doesn't exceed 221 degrees Fahrenheit either. Also, don't forget to switch the curling barrels when you move on to the other side of your head. I noticed that for me, it's a lot easier to style in smaller pieces rather than large sections, especially when you're first starting out. This tool definitely takes some getting used to, but to be honest, the way my hair auto wraps around the curling barrel makes it actually kind of fun to style my hair instead of making it into a chore. So I'm gonna go ahead and style the rest of my hair using the same technique, and let's see how it turns out. So, a little pro tip, try not to brush out your curls until the very end. This way your hair will hold the curls so much longer and better, trust me. Now that we're all done, I'm gonna run my fingers through my curls just to help them relax a little bit. Well, don't be afraid to shake out your hair, just play with it a little bit and get it to the smoothness and shape that you want. Wow, guys, I am truly loving my hair right now. I am obsessed with how my hair turned out. I mean, look how shiny and voluminous it looks. I feel incredible. Oh my God. Seriously, who needs to go to a salon when your hair could look like this at home? Thank you so much to the Luxx team for gifting this product to me to try, and I really hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and comment if you'd like to see another tutorial of the Luxx Air Pro attachments. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!